Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to do a late night clean with me. I'm going to be tidying up a couple areas around the house and grabbing a glass of wine to keep my spirits high. So if you need some cleaning motivation, keep watching. Turned on my second light, so it's a lot brighter than it was the last clip. my son got hungry, so I had to heat him something up, all the while cleaning and sipping on this glass of wine that's giving me life. Y'all know. Just commenting on someone else's video saying how my son is getting better on having toothpaste all in his sink, and I'm coming up here to do a quick tidy up, and let's see what we have. Oh, what does that we have there? Toothpaste and toothpaste and some more toothpaste. Yeah. I guess that made me alive. Does not play. It did not come to play, y'all. This is serious. It's still new to me, and I am loving it. If y'all could smell the smell that was in here when I started versus the smell. Do y'all see how big? Let me just show you how big this chunk of. Y'all see how big that chunk of toothpaste is? That's a whole an entire so much better. All right, so much better. So now let's wipe up some other surfaces and be done for this evening.